Hey friends, it's Samara here with the May 2026 Shots of Life featuring Bella Boulevard's Let's Celebrate. So I love this. It's so cute. I say this every month. I love everything. I don't know what else to say. We will get this really great sheet of paper, and here I'm just kind of deciding what am I going to use. We'll get these Bella Pops, which are also really fabulous. So I love a couple of these cards, so I want to make sure that I reserve them for my layout. And first we have to fix the trimmer. How many times has it been that I have to fix the trimmer while I'm in the middle of recording? So let's go ahead and cut off the branding strip. And then looking at this, I really want to preserve that Let's Celebrate, and I want to use that best card down at the bottom. And then on this side, I really want to use that little card with the photo, and so we'll use the back side, which are the hearts. So this is what I end up with right here. And I'm just going to cut out the tags. Maybe I'll wait on those. So this right here is the foundation of my layout. I'm going to go in and trim out my photos. I print them again a little bit smaller than 3x3. So maybe those measure, well, hold on, let's actually measure them. So they are a little less than 2.5 wide and about a little tiny bit less than 3.25 tall. And I was able to get 4 photos on this layout, 3 on top, and then 1 that will be in a little bit of a pocket. So again, just trimming them out, keeping a little bit of a white border around those photos. So my husband and I went on a New Year's Eve cruise. Well, of course we did. And we took these photos from the giant deck party. It was absolutely incredible to be standing on the Lido deck with, I'm convinced, a couple thousand people. I think there must have been 4,000 people out there. And it was just so much fun. I danced, we had some champagne, and celebrated with ourselves, and along with, like I said, a couple thousand people. So I love these little champagne bottles. I thought they were really great. So I did go ahead and trim those out from the card. I love to use embellishments or cards as embellishments. I think it's a great way to really stretch your supplies. Something I love about Shots of Life is it really gets my creative juices flowing, because I try to use only the Shots of Life kit. And I have to really think about how I'm going to stretch that across my pages. So these measure, I have the hearts background is 6x8, and then the other 2 photos, those are 4x6 cards. So that's how I will put them into the pockets, just like so. So for this one, I'm using the polka dot background as my background. So I just put my photo right in place, and that card is done. Like, truly that simple. We might add a doodle pop there in the corner, and then we're done. So like literally half the layout is done. The best picture perfect celebration, and done. So now we're going to spend a little bit of time on the other side here. And I really liked that Celebrate card. I thought it was really great. So let's see how we're going to use that. I did like these little tags as well, so I did cut those down. and trimmed off the corners. And right away I was thinking, oh my gosh, I could use the Celebrate as the front of a pocket or a pocket and slide my tags right inside. On this particular layout, the tags will be affixed. You're not going to be able to slide them out, but I will have another little hidden tag in another spot. So here I am using my We Are tool. I couldn't line up the hole, so what I like to do is just take a pen and draw a little dot in the center and then line up that dot in my hole punch. That would have been fun to do those a little bit wonky like so, but I end up just lining them up just like that, straight up. And then we'll do the little tags at the bottom at an angle. And we're going to add in some of those little champagne bottles because they are so cute. So since this pocket is not going to be used as a pocket, I didn't worry too much about the adhesive. If I was using it as a real pocket, I would have only put adhesive on the 3 sides. So I just go ahead and add some adhesive to the back of the tags, and we will just slide those into place. This one was pretty heavy with the black. You could have brought in like maybe some gold paper or some other color, like I think purple would have looked good as well. But again, I was just trying to use just the components from the Shots of Life. So that is so cute. Look at that. And we'll add one of those little Bella Pops in there. Now the bottom part of this is done. So we're just going to add in the photos up on top. My husband always makes really cheesy faces when he knows that I am doing a selfie. It's kind of hilarious. So I was thinking I still had a photo left and I still had a tag left. And so I thought, okay, well, let's go ahead and use this tag to hold the last photo. So it does not quite fit, but I really did not want to have to reprint this. So I thought it's okay if my photo sticks off the sides there. And when I put this in the pocket like that, it will just kind of stick out like so. I'm grabbing my date stamp, and I have been struggling lately with the date stamper. So I ended up putting the wrong year on here. So anyway, I took one of my other punches and I just punched a little tag here or a little label using what was left over. And we're just going to stamp in December 31st of 24. That was actually 25. So we'll just write over it. And then I was trying to figure out where I wanted to put it. And I just decided, okay, it's just going to hang off the side of the photo there. I've said this before, but I do love my little 6x8 album. I let go of perfection here. I just get the memory down on the page. I try to go pretty simple, using a whole lot of photos if I'm able to. I'm not always able to. Here I'm taking some twine from my stash and I'm just going to loop that in through these tags, just kind of in a fun way. So you can see I'm just going to wind it through the tags. We'll add a little twist in there. And then I use my red top glue, and it dries clear. And I'm able to keep the shape of the twine. So I like the way that this looks. We're going to flip over that little swirl there, and then have some sticking out of that top little tag. So it's fun. I would love to know how you're utilizing Shots of Life, and if you're into pocket pages or 6x8 albums. I do have some old Project Life pages in the big 12x12s. I don't know, maybe I'll do some of those pretty soon. So I am just gonna tie just a big bow here on this other tag, and that will slide in right behind that picture perfect celebration. And there we go. We are all done. I sure hope you enjoyed. Take care.